healthy one, then we are not able to take care of our health because we need to have self-control. As I told you in the short speeches, that the first responsibility of a man is to have self-control. If you are not having this ability, then you cannot have this responsibility. Then there are thousands of things to which we can reach, we can eat them, and we can fill our stomach. But the main reason behind it is only our gluttony. Gluttony means that when you are overeating something, so overeating should be avoided. Laziness should be avoided. If you don't take regular walks, if you don't take any exercise, you would not be healthy. You would be. I mean, the simple proverb is: if you rest, you rust. I'm writing this for you. If you rest, you rust. Now, this is the main thing. Rest is allowed. That should be there in your life. But there must be no rust. The people, they don't like rusty things. We throw them away. So, taking rest and then taking exercise. These both are important in your life. Don't use mobile excessively. I mean, if you use it, again you can become lazy. Sluggishness would be there in your life. You would not even go for your work. You would not go for prayer. You would not be able to join the hectic activities of life. So this is what we need, that we must be having regular exercise in our life. As I told you, that exercise may be of any form. You know, that would not be just having exercise or gym somewhere. This may be general walk or running or jogging. Right? So next time, whenever you think about all these things, and if there is any disease or any illness or ailment, you need to consult a doctor. For good health, we should consult a doctor, because if we need something to have active life, to join the active people, we need to have good health. So